Heidi ho, everybody. So, Mr. Wonderful here. I don't think I've done one of these before. This is Republica Socialista from Romania, 1966. I got this in a thrift store. You buy a load of coins in a bag for like €7. And this was one of them. So I thought, well, let's do it. So, first of all, yep, nothing new there. We're going to whack a hole in it. It's quite a small coin. Hope everybody's dandy today. Right, let's go for Big Bertha and see what she's going to do today. Is she leaking anymore? She's been a naughty girl recently. She's been chucking out the oil. I can't wait to get rid of this. I mean, it's been good, but it's too bloody big. This is a very soft coin. I didn't hear that go through. Right. Give it a bit of slap on the bottom. And here we go. We want to clean that edge up. Look at it, it's rough as hell. This is Christy Burr, my deburring tool. It just cleans it up. You can hear when it's clean as well. Yeah, now it should be good. There's still a little bit of a ding there. Let me get it out. But that's why I also use the sandpaper as well. Right, let's warm it up. It's very light. I hope it's not aluminium. I don't think it is. It's a little bit heavier than aluminium. But we shall see what happens. Right. Okie dokie. So what we're going to do, what's going to be sunny side up on the ring? Well, that doesn't look too bad. Look at the tone on that. It looks lovely, doesn't it? I mean, it's going to have to be this side, isn't it, I think? So that's going to go face down in my little doming block. I'll go over to big red. It just starts it, you know, gives it a bit more. Now we want a 17-degree folding die. Yeah, perfect. Always look after your tools. Bit of the old jollop. So it's just lovely. I didn't used to use any sort of oil to start with, you know, but it's everything seems to self-center. It's got a soft center. All right. Let's give it a bit of the old sandy. Get some of that oil off it. There you go. So we shall now go over to our best friend. Let's do it slowly, like Thunderbirds. Spike is ready to go. I used to love that when I was a kid, Thunderbirds. No, the original series. Mum, can I have my dinner in the lounge? I want to see Thunderbirds. Yeah, okay. Because we always had to eat in a kitchen when I was a kid. You was never allowed to, you know, you didn't eat in front of the telly. You had a kitchen and you used it. Like, I've got a kitchen, but we don't use it. We have the dinner on our lap or on a little table in the lounge, watching videos or, you know. I think it's quite sad, really, the way things have changed. I think I'm going to have to warm it up again. Got a bit work hardened. If you're new to the channel, how about subscribing for me or liking? Costs you nothing. There's no obligation. I don't get any money out of it. It just helps my channel grow a bit more. You can send me your own coins if you want. I've got loads of coins. You can sort of contact me. See what I've got. What I haven't got. You can check out my shop, yourthinkingmyring.com. Right, let's chuck in another bit of kitchen roll. You're just looking to get that bow out of it. There's still a little bit of a bow in it. See that? When you get that out. That's one thing I didn't used to do when I first started. Of course, then things go a bit pear-shaped and... God, this is a hard little mother. Maybe a touch more. I think I'll just sand this edge again. It's looking a bit ropey. See, it's a bit sad there and there. I don't think it's going to crack, but let's get that out. That's a lot better. But I think we'll give it a bit more love again. Falling in love again, what am I to do? Scooby-Dooby-Doo, I can't help it. That's pretty good. We'll give it a couple more pumps with Spike. A little bit of kitchen money. Sod the expense. Right, let's go back to Spike again. I mean, I think it's about at its limit. I don't push me luck with this one. There's no bow in it, so we can go down to the bottom end of Spike. Right, we're just looking. That one should do it. We'll put a little bit of dollop inside, make things run a bit easier. You just want to get it nice and level, or square I should say. straight walls. Beautiful. Maybe a touch back on this side. Hardly anything. That's better. That is good, yeah. And look at her. Look at this. Ain't she beautiful? Kate's back. I couldn't find her for bloody ages. Well, first of all, is there a lip in it? No, there's no lip at all. It's clean. Nothing. This just gets the fire scale off, cleans it up. Very similar to Quad Zero steel wool, Kate. The other ones I use are a little bit more abrasive, but they don't really do a lot of damage to the coin. Right, I don't think this is very good quality metal. So let's take out Kate and whack in Felton John. Right, let's give it a go. You got any questions or any ideas you'd like me to make, or a certain coin you'd like me to make? If I've got it, I'll make it for you. You don't have to buy it, I'll just make it. You can send me your own coins, you know, blah de blah de blah. I would like to polish everything by hand, but my left wrist is pretty screwed up. Motorcycles. Motorcycles and alcohol when you're 18. Never drink and drive. I used to. You know, back in the, what? Back in the early days. God knows I never got caught. Absolutely stupid. Perhaps I should have got caught, you know. But I don't touch it now. I don't even have one if I know I'm going to be driving that day. But when you're young and crazy and, you know, that's what you used to do. I think a lot of people did, you know. Back in the day. I mean, in Finland now, they every time they stop you, they breathalyze you. And they test for drugs. Every time they stop you for anything. It's just automatic. And sort of holiday times, Christmas times, they sort of hide in a certain area where they know you can't turn around, and they catch loads of people. Because the thing with the Finns is they do like a drink, you know. I can't fault them for that. But drinking and driving, it's definitely a no-no in Finland. Well, it's a no-no everywhere. I don't mind getting stopped by the old bill, you know. Do you mind? No, I'll happily breathe into your little machine, fella. I suppose as you get older, you sort of, you know, a bit more responsible. I mean, who the hell's responsible in their teens, eh? Not many people, I wouldn't have thought. Right, how's it looking? We've got a bit of the sun there. You've got the text on the inside. It's nothing special, but, you know, it is what it is. What size we got? This is a size 10 and a quarter, 10 and a half. In between 10 and a half and 10 and 3/4. I can make it bigger, I can make it smaller. Fits this finger perfectly. Thank you all for your support. And yeah, keep smiling. Have a lovely day. And God willing, I'll see you in the next one. And behave yourselves. Come on now.